30 mile an hour, you knobhead. Build up area, you're staying about 45.
Oh, dear.
50 mile an hour, you pleb. And these people on motorbikes.
Oh, yeah, the alarm still says.
I've got a motorbike, it doesn't 50 mile an hour, doesn't fucking matter to me. Nice indication, you plebosaurus!
And he went to bed out the road. He didn't tell his mum till the next day. And they said if you'd went as soon as that happened. But I was blind. If he was
This stupid bugger.
bastard here.
Why can't they fucking wait? Can they not just wait? Like,
It's a little pink, like, he's got a pink one, he gets a push, isn't it? Pink plastic beds. With a little button.
On this near side, on the far side, absolutely scorching the victory. Perhaps it's time for Sandals. Time for Sandals is on the far side. It's going to be close because on the near
well,
side...
you've got 4, haven't you, you knob rock? Honestly, like, what is the point of overtaking on the A road when there's like hundreds of trucks in front of you?
His horses have been running out of their skin, and time for Sandals has held off of the...
Not like waiting, is there? Crab face split arse. There we are, some other tool that can't drive around about. Outside lane all the way fucking round. It's another split arse. Confident for just because of the fact I can get any colour. I'll get one straight away, and after a fact I will.
Well, at least you know the damn it. And automatics as well, were they?
Yeah. Grease lightning. Come on then. Come on then. Alright, Sid Vicious, off you can. That's funny. There's a fucking bloke just standing in the middle of the road. I'm wanting to turn left and he's just totally oblivious that I'm right behind him. I might be able to do that. Okay then. Red light, wasn't it?